Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Settings and go directly to Personalization so you can start changing the lock screen now. In Lock Screen, choose Windows Spotlight as the background. This immediately tells Windows to fetch rotating images. Make sure you're signed into a Microsoft account because Spotlight uses your account to personalize images and feedback. Once done, leave the screen alone for a few minutes so Spotlight can download images. While that happens, you can move to the next configuration steps. Once Spotlight is enabled, lock your PC or wait on the lock screen to trigger image downloads. Spotlight fetches new content periodically. If you see images, interact with the like or not interested buttons to train the algorithm. That improves future selections. If images don't appear after a while, open Update and Security and check for Windows updates because pending updates can block Spotlight downloads. Make sure your internet connection is active and that any metered networks to finalize. If Spotlight still fails, reset it by toggling the lock screen background to picture, then back to Windows Spotlight, or manually delete Spotlight cache files and app data, then restart. Check your Microsoft account and region because mismatched settings can stop content delivery. Finally, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and restart the computer to clear service hiccups. This often resolves permission or cache issues. If none of these steps fix it, try creating a new user profile to determine whether the problem is profile-specific.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.